Hey everyone, Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, October 10th. The SPY is still hanging out near all-time highs. I got to give the call of the day to Kevin P on NUAI. Absolutely ripped today. I got a screenshot of his call here. You notice the timestamp at 11:35. NUAI over high of day, interesting. I like the way it's holding up. Let's go to 5-minute candles and look at that. So that was right here, over this horizontal line at $2.11 was the idea high of day break after this kind of flag, and then we'll back out from 211. Look what it did, went to 318. There was the entry, never looked back. Amazing call. Let's go back to the daily. That one's definitely on watch tomorrow, but that was certainly the call of the day. Several other calls in chat. I'll just highlight a couple real quick, and I'm going to go into the watch list for tomorrow. So CRML, Sahil called this one over 14, which would have been over this line here, right about there, and it went to almost 16, 1589 actually. And Miguel also gave us USAR. Which incredibly strong, especially after what it did the other day. He called USAR over 30, which is right there, and look what it did right after. Those are the entries we look for, stuff that should work right away. I gave RCAT, RCAT, which it ugly close, but as a day trader, I mentioned this flag right here, which the entry would have been right around 1540, and then you can see what it did. Again, didn't look, I mean, right out of the gate, just ripped to 1670 from the flag break. So that's the stuff we look for, stuff that's in play, high volume. And let me put this up there real quick to kind of summarize in case we got new members in chat. Well, we do have new members showing up every day, so pause the video if you're new and read that. It's kind of what we're all about. And then let me go into what we're watching for Friday. All right, NUAI, I already talked about it. Definitely goes on watch. Strongest stock out there. WRD, I'm putting it on long watch because I like the fact it closed at 1255, or topped at 1255 here. Then yesterday topped at 1241. Kind of a quiet inside day today. Still a valid long setup. LIDR. Trying to break above recent highs there. NKTX. Let me try that again. Nice volume today, and if it can break today's high tomorrow, then you've got this 250 high not far above. We always look for catalysts on the chart above. DLO, pretty good volume today, right? See that volume spike and a pretty strong close. SERV, SERV. Some kind of collaboration with DoorDash, and a nice breakout today and a pretty strong close. Could have a follow-through day. LAES had a nice trade in this one today, and went out at its high, so definitely want to watch that one. NPWR, didn't gap down. It gapped up a little bit, but had a very narrow range compared to yesterday. I still like it for a possible third day play. PATH also went out close to its highs. CODI, nice volume today, and in after hours right now as I'm talking is trading at 861. So I should have had that on after hours watch and I didn't see it. DVLT goes back on bounce watch. I had a decent trade in that one today. GWH, nothing really compelling here except that it's trading at 231 right now in after hours. So we want to keep our eyes on that one. I mean, it went as high as 262. And then SHPH. Also kind of a handsome chart anyway. But as I'm talking to you, it's trading at 540. Right? So it's trading up here. So if it's still gapping in the morning, that goes on the gap list. And that's it for me. I'll see you guys in the pre-market. We'll add a list of gappers to this list. Should be plenty to trade tomorrow. And that's it for me. I'll see you guys in chat. Have a good night.